Hello, how are you? I hope you are well. Now I will discuss about this project. Now I will log in. It's a home page when user sell product by barcode or scanner machine. Then use this page, and also user can sell product, use customer memo. This page use when normal customer buy any product, and also it has HR memo when user sell his product to the HR, then use this page, and also user can use retailer memo page when user want to sell product to the retailer, then use this page. After sell product, he can see his sell information. It's our all product when create new product, then automatically created barcode. This is the code. Use this code. User can easily search product, and also use this code. User sell product by barcode, and also user can add more more client like normal like HR retailer merchant. It's a supplier list. It means it's a company list. Supplier list name requirement by the my client. It's a sale history, daily sale history, monthly sale history, yearly sale history. All information has here. And also it has download button. After completed daily daily sale, then user can download his database for backup information. Here user click download button, then it's it's downloaded. If somehow uh, mistake his database value, then user can easily restore it. Okay, and also user can add payment. Each retailer list here. All retailer can see sale history. All retailer can see his product, sale product, sale list, payment. It's a retailer feature, and also it has more product when new when more product stock is go down, then user user can easily edit this product in his stock. For this, how much discount he get from different uh, eh, this discount entered here, and quantity how much he new stock, then add, then automatically save it. It's a supply list. Supply list means it's a company list. Here all is company name, and it's a product list. It's now only two product list. Now I will add new product, but this this user not permitted for add product or add companies. This user not permitted. So I log out and log in the user. Then we will add new company first time, like Alton, but it's already have in our database, so it's not allowed duplicate company name. So here, go to Bangladesh. Now I created successfully new company. It's a sample for add company. Now we will add new product. We already have two product, and also if we can see its product, uh, table 100 piece and chair 10 piece. It's a product barcode. Okay, now we will add new product. Okay, page 10 page posted want to detail good rate 1500 to 15,000 taka and sell rate um, taka. It's optional. Okay, now we will add new company and also it's our new product. So now we will sell this product step by step. So this page used when we have scanner machine, but just sample we will sell. It's a code. It's a barcode. So this scanner machine use this. It's a sample. Okay. If confirm sell or cancel sell. If confirm sell, then sell confirm successfully. Okay. It's our se- it's our sell list. Three bits and less it's okay. For barcode, it's no less opportunity. So and also we have another way for sell product. It's a customer memo. This page used for normal customer. Fridge, table. Okay. If we add more from stock, then it's show alert. So we will sell to pitch and less. If we entered if we entered more values, then it's alert you. He will stock not available. Okay. If we add uh, stock value uh, uh, to more value, will then it will show alert. Now we will add to page less than 100. Then create. Okay. Okay, it's created successfully. Then we will add zone table page. Okay. If we add more value, then it's relative. Okay. Then this product successfully. And also and also uh, we shall retailer to give. Okay. Then it's create successfully. Sojib. We shall Sojib. So we can see product list. This product we shall uh, here. So if we cancel our product, then then it's it's restore in our product list. Okay. We cancel our product uh, for sale. Then our all product again saved here. 110. Okay. All is all is restored here. Then if we can try see product list here, all product is 0 bits. Okay. And also it's our sale record. Now we will sell more product. Sell successfully. and also we will sell HR, HR 1 name. Okay, teach table. Masud, it's a merchant. HR sell HR buy this product under this merchant. Okay, we sell this product. Then if we can see, uh, it's a print option. We can print this available page size. Okay, A4 size. It's A4 size, and also it's long sleeve to size. Okay, it's everything the size is available here, and also we can print uh, customer information with customer information or without customer information, and it's our sale list, product list. It's our product list now. These products are available now, and this is client list. Client list. This client at previous time sell this product. Okay, and sell history. It's our daily sell history. This item sell now. If we can see high pitch. This only. Okay. Sell by Rakesh and Manan created two pitch, and uh, and and unknown person created unknown person by three pitch. It's our daily sell history. It's our monthly sell history, and it's our yearly sell history. Okay, and and it's our payment. It's our payment. Manan Manan made payment. It's our Manan already by 6 bits. Then zero. Uh, it's Manan uh, totally therefore Manan is March Manan is HR. So Manan uh, buy product under this merchant. Under this merchant Manan buy product. So total 300 taka pay now. Okay, payment successfully.